The Supreme Court is the highest apex appellate court in India, which appeals against judgments of high courts can be made in both civil and criminal cases. The Supreme Court of India has been vested with certain advisory powers. The President can seek his advice on any legislative measure. However, the advice of the Supreme Court is not binding on the President. Article 143. The Supreme Court functions as the guardian of the Constitution. It is the final authority to interpret the constitutional law and has the authority to declare any law or execute action or judgments of lower courts null and void if the Supreme Court finds them against the letter and spirit of the Constitution. It also the apex agency of God, the fundamental rights listed out in the Constitution. The Supreme Court of India has been established by Part 5, Chapter 4 of the Constitution of India. Articles 124 to 147 of the Constitution list on the composition and jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India. Originally, the Constitution provided for the Chief Justice and 7 lower-ranking judges. The Constitution enables the Parliament to increase this number. By 2008, the number of judges has been increased from 8 to 30. By 2019, there are 34 judges, including the Chief Justice. As to the appointment of the Supreme Court judges, the Chief Justice of India should consult the collegium of four senior-most judges of the Supreme Court. The collegium makes the decision for the appointment of the Supreme Court judges. The Chief Justice should consult the collegium of four senior-most judges of the Supreme Court. The collegium makes the decision in consensus. Every judge of the Supreme Court is appointed by the President after consultation with the candidate, and the judges of the Supreme Court and such judges hold office until they attain the age of 65 years. If any of the judge was want to lay down office, he can do handwritten sign resignation letter to the President. The Parliament can move a judge through an impeachment. To be considered for the office of the judge, one must be a citizen of India, and this qualification as per Parliament's decision.